Hello everyone, my name is Ling. Today I'm going to make a rooster model. Now I want to tell you about a rooster. A rooster is a farm animal. It has colorful feathers. It says cuckoo cuckoo. A rooster wakes people up in the morning. Thank you everyone for watching my video.